power of levels yet again in crude oil and net gas. Oil beautifully has now moved towards the next target zone at 67.4, 67.6. Yesterday I mentioned very clearly that 66.2, 65.8, as long as it respects the chances of a recovery will be high. Likewise with natural gas, it has traded beautifully bullish and has hit 4.3, but we can definitely see a bit of struggle here at 4.3 levels, which is indeed a greater resistance. So what to expect today from oil and gas? Where to enter, where to exit, how to profit, we're gonna see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you 2 updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First we look into US crude, followed with net gas. Watch till the now see crude on the RD charts. What did we discuss? See the drop here. When you see such formation, it always tries to bounce back, and now I will definitely watch out how far it can stretch this rise. It is very important for oil to now trade beyond 67.6, 68 zone. Any move beyond 68 should be a good sign. And see, a reversal confirmation is only and only if you see it is staying beyond 68.4, 68.6. Right now it is moving towards the top here. It can be all the way towards 68 as well. Now see, the moving averages here have started to converge, which is a good sign. But when you look at, see, the dip here and then the retracement is, you can see the body size is pretty small here. Thus for now we have to wait for 67.4, 67.6 zone to be breached in order to confirm for the rise. Stochastic at top here, the MACD is trading with moderate bullishness, while when you look at the RSI, this is also trading with moderate bullishness here, not yet confirming a complete reversal. On the 2 hour, similar observation is here of the support levels here from 67, 66.8 is pretty strong. So for now 66.8 is the base here for crude oil to break below, and once it trades below 66.8, yet I will say till 66.5, 66.2, do not trade this as bearish. Only and only if you see oil trading below 66.5, 66.2, you can expect more bearishness. Stochastic has erased some of the gains, while the MACD, after hitting the lows, it has crossed over, it is trading with divergence, is staying bullish, looking upwards, which is a very good sign for the bulls. RSI is also trading with moderate bullishness. On the 3-hour charts, if on the 3-hour chart, see the moving averages running flat here, taking or providing the strong support at 67, 66.8, and only worry point here is, see, the bearishness was with bigger body sizes. The bulls here are trading with moderate moves, and thus very important for it to show a stronger breakout, which means we have to see a move beyond 67.4, 67.6 with conviction, and if that is taken, then we can expect 68 and 68.4, 68.6. If you see the stochastic, this is at the top. The MACD, after retracement, it has crossed over, which is again a good sign for the bulls. This suggests that there could be forthcoming candles which are going to be green in body. RSI running flat. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour chart, see sharper dip, there is a reversal, then the sign has appeared, and then the bulls might has tried to take over here, and you can see a bit of resistance here. Wait for this to break out beyond, and then possibly we can see a move towards 68, 68.4. Now also notice, if you look at the move here in oil, you can find out, see, it has come out of this retracement zone. However, it is still delivering. It is trying to create another broader channel here where it has hit the bottom. The top is now all the way towards 69. So we have to still wait for a confirmation. Certainly I can see that 65, 67 zone has proven out to be a greater support zone, and this is a long-term support which we are observing in crude oil, and hence it is very important for oil to either break below 65 in order to confirm more bearishness. Till the time it respects 65, we have to be cautious with the sells. Stochastic rising, the MACD was bearish, trying to converge here. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is rising, which is again a good sign for the bulls. Coming to now, before we proceed to daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch, and if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me on Telegram for your queries, and if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now the thing is, see, the moving averages have crossed over. These are trading with divergence, staying bearish. You can also notice it was trading in this bearish channel. It is trying to come out of this zone, which is a good sign for the bulls. The next thing is, if you look at this candle, we have seen a greater resistance here at 68, 68.4 zone, and the current candle is shying away from breaking beyond 68. So I will definitely watch out the next one here, because see, first pullback candle, the swing here, and the second one could be a pullback candle again, which means we can see a bearishness. But however, I will say 67, 66.8 is going to be the first and foremost support. And remember, if you see it staying above 68 today, it can deliver higher highs and a strong upward move might follow. The stochastic has dropped here. The MACD, after hitting the bottom, has crossed over, trading with divergence, which is a good sign for the bulls. The RSI is rising. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy at 67.4, 67.6 levels, expected to move towards 68 and then 68.4, 68.6. Any move beyond this zone, that is 68.4, 68.6, I have maintained since last week that beyond this we are looking forward to 70.2, 70.4 zone, and if that is taken, then 73 will appear very very soon. Right now, too early to conclude, but yes, it is showing signs of retracement. However, I will say till 68.4, 68.6, do not treat oil as bullish. On the downside, I will recommend a selling and trade now at 66.8, where you can expect 66.5, 66.2, and then 65.8. Three support levels here. Below 65.8, we can expect 65. And if 65 is taken, it is looking forward to a greater correction where the prices are going to head lower. 63.6, 62 zone appears difficult as of now. Thus, take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural. We have the net gas storage data release scheduled to be released today, which might bring volatility into the gas prices today. Now, what is happening? What can be expected with that? If you see this, this is how gas has been trading, moderate bullish channel. We have to wait for it to stay now above 4.28, 4.3 zone, and a move beyond 4.28, 4.3 should be a confirmation for the next advancement all the way towards 4.4 to 4.44 zone. Be mindful of this. The moving averages have crossed over. This is again a good sign for the bulls. And if you just connect it here, you can find out this is how it has been trading. The lows here are all the way towards 4.2, 4.1 zone. But one point is very clear. As long as 4.1 is not taken today, do not treat net gas as bearish here. See, the stochastic is at bottom trying to bounce back. But when you look at MACD, it has retraced sharp and it is just crossed over. Though it is not that it cannot rise further, but for right now, it is trying to show signs of retracement here. The RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. Coming to 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour chart, similar observation, the crossover is very very important. This is on the buy side, and also notice you can see this. This is how it has been trading. Higher lows, higher highs are seen, and thus see very very important for net gas to first trade below 4.22, then 4.18, then 4.15 levels, and then specifically 4.1. When it drop below 4.1 is the only confirmation of bearishness here, else it is still not to be treated bearish. The stochastic looking downwards, the MACD is in green, it has not yet converged a crossover. The RSI is sitting at the top. On the 3-hour, similar observation on the 3-hour charts, lower highs, lower lows, and the preceding one is a swing candle. After this one red candle, I will definitely watch out the next one here. Yes, a drop below 4.22 should take it all the way towards 4.2, 4.18, and then 4.15 level should appear. Below that, a greater correction should follow. If you look at the move here, see, first of all, slightly lower lows are seen, and now it is delivering higher highs. So this is a swing zone it is creating, but largely, if you notice, $4 levels have become the base here for net gas to breach below. And see, the moving average is crossing over here. It is again a good sign for the bulls. The stochastic looking downwards. The MACD under retracement, trading bullish. The RSI is flat. On the 4-hour charts, when the observation is similar, see the Bollinger Bands have narrowed. It has formed a good base and it is trying to look upwards. A move beyond 4.3, 4.32 should confirm the next move towards 4.4, 4.44 zone. And a move beyond 4.44 should take it all the way towards 4.5. See, a very strong support is created here at uh, the 20, you can say $4 levels. Now also notice every rise follows with a retracement. It is retraced and it is delivering higher lows and higher highs. Now a breakout on the upside should confirm stronger momentum for the next few candles, which suggests that in fact the coming week might give it a gap up opening as well, and that is very very important for us to watch out where net gas closes tomorrow. If you see the stock, I think this is at the top. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, trading bullish, looking upward. The RSI is rising with moderate swings. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, notice we have discussed this several times. Rise, retracement, bigger retracement, a further bigger rise and the retracement. If you see the prices right now is consolidating in a zone with a higher lows and higher highs. Now see this support, the support at $4 levels is pretty strong, and with that as support we have seen it giving bigger bullish candles. Now today's candle is going to be very important because it might try to erase the losses from this candle, which suggests 4.4 to 4.44 zone might arrive here soon, because it divide this into two and you can see a symmetry, you can see a good support is created, you can confirm that the next candle might stay bullish. Stochastic rising here. The MACD is right now. This is the only worry point here. See MACD, which is crossed over at the top, trading with bearishness. Though it is showing signs of convergence, but unless and until it crosses over, we have to be careful. However, even if it tries to converge, it requires 2 to 3 candles, which suggest that the prices might hit higher before reversing. RSI looking up for. So considering this, very simple, you can buy here at 4.28, 4.3 zone, expect it to move towards 4.36, and then you can expect it to move in fact towards 4.4 to 4.44. Any breakout beyond 4.4 to 4.44 is stay bullish for 4.5, 4.6, and then to the on the downside, I will recommend a selling entry at 4.22 levels, expected to move towards 4.18, then 4.15 and 4.1 levels. Below 4.1 is where you can expect a greater correction all the way towards 4.05 and $4 levels. Take your trades, take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support that. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day.